So I'm going to show you how to record with both the front and the rear camera at the same time on your iPhone 17 Pro. Right? So this is a brand new feature. So if you launch the camera app and then go to video, you can swipe up and you should see the option dual capture. So you can tap on that and that's going to launch up the front facing camera as well as the rear main camera. Now the only problem with this, well, it's not a problem. The only limitation is it maxes out at 4K 30. Okay, so you can only record with this mode at 4K 30, and you can even turn it into landscape mode and record your video with both cameras at the same time. Now this feature has been there on other phones, especially Android, but it's brand new on the iPhone 17 Pro. Thanks for watching and good luck.